Hostinger is a very popular hosting provider known for its competitive and budget-friendly pricing, especially for small businesses, startups, and individual bloggers. It has a strong focus on Indian market with local data centers in Mumbai and tailored customer support. The Hostinger platform is known for its ease of use, good performance, including fast loading and reliable uptime, comprehensive features like free domain, SSL certificates, and email hosting offered with high quality hosting options. In this video, I will show you the process of purchasing your domain name directly on Hostinger and then connecting it to your Hostinger hosting. So are you ready? Let's go! Now, as I explained to you in the previous video, there are three different ways of connecting your domain name to your Hostinger hosting server. The first way is to connect it via Cloudflare DNS. The second way is to connect it directly from your domain registrar. And the third way is to purchase the domain name on Hostinger itself so that it is automatically connected to your Hostinger hosting server. In the previous videos, I have already covered the option 1 and option 2. I will leave the link to both of these videos in the description. In this video, let's go ahead with option 3, where we purchase a new domain on Hostinger and connect it to our Hostinger hosting server. So let's go ahead. Now this entire process can be completed in 3 simple steps. The first step is to purchase your hosting server on Hostinger. We have already completed this step in the previous video and I will leave a link for it in the description. The second step is to purchase a domain name on Hostinger, and the final step is to connect this domain name to your Hostinger hosting server account. So let's do it. Now before moving forward, please make sure that you have purchased a Hostinger hosting plan and you have your login details ready so that we can move forward together. If you don't already have a Hostinger account, you can use my referral link which is mentioned in this presentation as well as the description. This link will give you additional 20% discount. So please feel free to click on this link, go to Hostinger and purchase the hosting that fulfills the requirement for your business. Now let's go to the Hostinger website so that I can show you the process of purchasing your domain name. Open www.hostinger.in on your browser. In the top right corner, click on My Account. Log in into your Hostinger account using your email ID and password, or else if you don't have an account already, you can sign up on this page. Enter your email ID and password. Click on Login. If you have two-factor authentication set up on your account, you would be asked to enter the authentication code sent to your mobile number. Enter the code here and click Verify. You will land on the Hostinger Edge panel dashboard. Here, on the left-hand side menu, click on Domains. After that, click on Get a New Domain. On this page, you can either find a domain name that you already have in mind, or you can ask AI to generate a domain name for you. Well, I want to buy a specific domain, so I will go ahead with that process and show it to you. Click here. Now type the domain name that you want to purchase. For example, I want to search for startupswissknife.co.in. After entering the domain name, click on Search. Now, after completing the search, Hostinger will show you if your domain name is available and what would be the price for the first year. So you can see that my domain name is available here. Hostinger is also showing you that there are other options of the same domain name available. I wanted to buy .co.in, but a .online and .net is also available. So if I want, I can buy that too. But in my case, I want to go ahead with startupswissknife.co.in. Now, to purchase this domain, click on the Buy Now button. A payment pop-up will appear on your screen containing the details of the domain that you are purchasing. For example, the number of years for which you are buying this domain and the total cost per year for this domain. If you have used Hostinger in the past and you have made any purchases, that payment method will also appear here. Now you can change this payment method and you can use any other payment method if you want. To use a different payment method, click here. Then click on Choose a different payment method. Click on Choose Payment Method. You will land on this page containing different payment methods. You can choose from credit card, UPI or PayPal option. To choose any payment option, just click on this small icon in front of your desired payment option. You can provide your card name, card number, date of expiry and CVC code if you want to make purchase through credit card. To use the UPI option, you have to provide the phone number that is connected to your UPI account and your UPI ID. You can also use PayPal checkout to make your payment. Let's do our payment through the UPI payment option. Enter the mobile number that is connected to your UPI account. Enter your UPI ID here. Now click on Continue. You will see a pop-up that will inform you that once you make this payment, an autopay will be set up on your UPI app so that the future renewals of your domain will happen automatically. You can always go and change this setting in your UPI app. For now, we will just move ahead with it. Click on Continue. You will receive an SMS notification or a notification on your UPI app to complete your payment. Please go ahead and complete your payment on your UPI app. After your payment is successful, Hostinger will start the process of registering the domain in your name. If required, Hostinger will ask you for some details like your name, address, etc. The domain registration process is automatic and it will take a few minutes to complete. After the domain registration is complete, you can move forward and start using your domain. Now that you have purchased your domain name, the next step is to connect it to your hosting server. But since you have purchased the domain name on Hostinger, this process is automatic and you don't have to do anything. Hostinger will automatically take this domain name and connect it to the hosting server that you have purchased. Now let's get back to the process. Click Continue. You will be given two options to use your new domain. The first one is to create a website and the second one is to build a web app. Well, for now, we just want to connect this domain to our hosting. So let's skip both of them. Click on Skip. You will land on the domain overview page. On this page, you can see that you have already registered this domain. On the right hand side, you can see the expiration date of this domain. Below that, you can see the DNS and name server details. You can also find your contact information that Hostinger has used to register this domain name in your name. So, all the information related to this domain name is available on this page. Now, these name servers provided here are Hostinger name servers, which means that your domain name has been automatically connected to your Hostinger hosting server. You don't have to take any manual steps to connect your domain name to your server anymore. Now that you have purchased a domain name on Hostinger and you have connected it to your Hostinger hosting server, the next step is to install WordPress so that you can start building your website. So let's do that. To create a website using your new domain name, click here on Get Started. You would be given two options. Do you want to create a website or migrate an existing website? Click on Create Website. click Next. You would be asked if you want to use WordPress to build your website or would you like to use Hostinger Website Builder. Choose WordPress and then click Next. Create login details for your WordPress account by entering an email ID and a password that you want to use. Click Next. In the next step, you would be asked how you would like to build your website. Do you want to use AI? Do you want to use pre-built websites and themes? Or do you want to create from a blank site? Click on Create Blank Site. Now on this page, select the domain name that you just bought from Hostinger. Then click on Install WordPress. Your WordPress installation will start and it might take a few minutes for it to complete. After completion of the WordPress installation, you will land on the WordPress dashboard of your new website. You can see here that your domain name is automatically connected and it's active. You can also see that the domain name is visible on the top left corner of the dashboard as well as in the browser. Now with this, the process of connecting your Hostinger domain name to your Hostinger server is complete. As you can see, this was a very simple and automatic process. Most of the steps were already done by Hostinger and you didn't have to do any manual steps. So now you can go back to your Hostinger Edge panel by clicking on this button on the top right corner, which says Go to Edge panel. And you will land on the Hostinger Edge panel dashboard for your website. So now you know how to buy and connect your domain name to your website on Hostinger. If you were not able to follow along with the video, don't worry, you can find the link to this presentation and the step-by-step guide in the description section of this video. You can use the link to go through the slides and complete the process at your own pace. If you got value from this video, please like, share and leave a comment on this video. Please also subscribe to my channel. Your Hostinger dashboard comes packed with many features that make it easy for you to manage your website, hosting account, domain name, business emails, and more. In the upcoming video, I will guide you through the Hostinger dashboard where all the magic happens. So I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.